Hello and welcome to phuketpals GED Express Math Screencast. Today's lesson focuses on solving inequalities. The steps in solving linear inequality are exactly the same as those used in solving linear equations. So if you are familiar with the steps in solving linear equations, solving inequalities would be very easy for you. There is, however, one very important new rule to follow. Okay, take note of this. Anytime you multiply or divide by a negative number, the inequality changes direction. Again, anytime you multiply or divide by a negative number, the inequality changes direction. Let's start with an example to show how this works. Minus 4x is greater than or equal to 16. Okay, following the steps in linear equation, let's undo the operations involved. Okay, to undo, we need to divide both sides by minus 4. Okay, minus 4 and minus 4. Minus 4 divided by minus 4 is 1. 1x, or we can just write x. Now, note this special rule that says anytime you multiply or divide by a negative number, the inequality changes direction. So the greater than symbol, the inequality symbol will change direction, and the equal sign will still remain. Then 16 divided by minus 4, the answer is minus 4. So the answer is x is lesser than or equal to minus 4. As you can see, other than the change in direction of the inequality, the solution steps are generally the same as those for equation. Let's try another example. X minus 5 is lesser than 2. Okay. Now, same with the linear equation. Let's undo the minus 5 by adding 5 on both sides. So plus 5 plus 5. So we have x here, because minus 5 plus 5 is 0, is lesser than 7. Okay, easy steps. Right? So x is lesser than 7. Now, in the next example, we will try to grab the solution. Okay, we will try to grab the solution to the inequalities. Okay, let's try the example 2 minus 2 is lesser than or equal to minus 10. Okay, now 2x minus 2 is lesser than or equal to minus 10. Okay, first let's undo the minus 2 by adding 2. Okay, plus 2 and plus 2 here. Then we have 2x is lesser than or equal to minus 8. Now, to undo the multiplication, we need to divide by 2 both sides. So 2 divided by 2 is 1x, or x is lesser than or equal to minus 4. Now, looking at the value of x, it doesn't show just one single solution. So we can basically show the whole solution by putting it or plotting it into a number line. So let's draw a number line. Let's draw a number line. Then let's figure out where we should put minus 4. For example, minus 4 is here, then we can still add some more here, like minus 5 and minus 6. Then here we have minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and 0. Okay, that's how it is plotted. Now first identify where is minus 4. Then make a small circle on minus 4. Okay, now look at the solution. X is lesser than or equal to minus 4. So lesser than, so it means the values, all values on the left side of minus 4 are the solution. So this side, okay, these are the solution. However, if we are going to observe x is also equals to minus 4, so in this case we need to shade minus 4. Okay, the small circle minus 4, so it means minus 4 is included in the solution to the inequality. Okay, let's try some more example. Minus 3x plus 7 is greater than minus 2. So let's undo addition by subtraction. So minus 7, minus 7. So we have minus 3x is greater than minus 2, and minus 7 is minus 9. Then undoing the multiplication by dividing both sides by minus 3, minus 3. So this is cancelled. So we have x. Here, again, based on the special rule for inequality that differs with equation, anytime you multiply or divide by a negative number, the inequality changes direction. So the inequality changes direction, becomes lesser than. Minus 9 divided by minus 3, the answer is positive 3. So this x, the solution is x is lesser than, or x are lesser than 3. So any values of x or any numbers lesser than 3 are values of x. But how are we going to put this on a number line? Let's draw a number line. Okay, usually the first thing that we should identify is the 3, probably around at the middle, 3. Then let's add to the left 2, 1, and 0. Then here we can add 4, 5, and 6. Now let's identify the 3 and put that small circle there. Then since it is less than, so the solutions are values on the left side of 3. These are the solution. This side of 3. We need to shade the small circle. No, because x is not equal to 3. Okay, x is not included. That's all for this video. If you find this video useful, please hit the subscribe button below. It helps us help more people like you. If you want to know more about Phuket Pals, you can visit us at our Facebook page, or you can call us at 081 417 0978.